Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jeff, and I'm doing my day trading recap for September 16. So, I traded HAL at the open for an opening range breakup. So, what I saw on the 5 minute and on the 1 minute, it was holding this level here. Also, there was no volume. And then all of a sudden, you had this huge volume surge. Nice, beautiful candle reclaiming VWAP here. So that piqued my interest. But I did make a hard rule that I'm not trading in the first 5 minutes. So this fit perfect with my strategy. So beautiful opening range breakup. Also notice how it's holding that 50 moving average on the 5. Right when it reclaimed VWAP and getting over that 50, I took it long with my stop of VWAP. So as you can see here, opening range, stop right below VWAP. Once I got my 2 to 1 here, I took partial. I had key levels here at 21.92, as you can see. So if you look at pre-market, it was having a hard time breaking that 21.92. And then also I had a 22 level here, 22.05 level of the pre-market high, which is also right there. So those were the areas that I was looking for to take profit. So I was taking profits on the way to 21.92, but it had a hard time breaking. I think it was like 21.97 area. So I took more off here. I really wanted to get this break. As it pulled back, just to be safe, I took a little bit more off. It popped back up and it was struggling, so I took more off. At this point, once I've taken profits and on the 5 minute chart, if you notice, it's not making any new 5 minute lows. So I actually set a hard stop. So once it breaks that once it makes a new 5 minute low, I'm all out. So I put in a hard stop. Oh, sorry about that. That's way too big. I put in a hard stop right below this candle wick here. So right when it broke it, it stopped me out. So, but I want you guys to notice what ended up happening here. So it ended up just bouncing off VWAP super hard and just trending up and just cracking that 22 level here. So the level that I really want to get to, but hey, it happens. You just got to stick to your rules. So I made my daily goal on this trade here. So not going to complain, not going to be greedy. So all in all, pretty decent day, a one and done day. And yeah, I just want to give a shout out to Rishi, Dash, and Lance. We started this Discord, and it was great to have another set of eyes looking at the trade as well, and helping me on this trade. So yeah. Other than that, if you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave it at the bottom, and I'll get to you as soon as I can. Happy trading, everyone.